Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram login error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is check to see if your Wi-Fi connection is running properly or not. In order to do that, simply switch over between the Wi-Fi connections if that's causing the problem. And now the next thing is to check the speed as well. Simply go to your browser and then type in speed test, and once you tap on it, select the first link that is shown to you, speed test by Ookla. And once you are here, tap on go and check to see if your internet connection is running properly or not. And once that's done, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply go to the settings app, and once you're inside here, scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, tap on Instagram. And once you tap on Instagram, here you'll have two options. Simply tap on offload app. Now this clears all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the problem that you are facing. So once this process is done, tap on delete app and try again, and that basically should fix the issue. And that's how to fix Instagram login error. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.